Hello, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video will explain how to construct a 60-degree angle. So if you want to construct a 60-degree angle, the first thing is to draw a horizontal line. So now once you draw a horizontal line, the second step is to indicate the point, which is your A and your B. Now after indicating the point, you now open your compass to a convenient radius and you start at point A to cut an arc to cut across point B. So you now open to a convenient radius. You start at this point. You now draw an arc to cut at that point. So now using that same radius, you now stand at this point. You now cut another arc. Now the last step is for you to join the arc together to draw a line from point A to cut across where the arc intersects. So now you use your pair of protractor to now check your angle. So as you can see, this is our 60 degrees angle. So remember to subscribe, don't forget to like and share if this video is helpful. Thank you.